What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drone for construction. I have made this list based on video capture resolution, special feature, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 is the first drone we will explain in this article since it is considered one of the best drones in the world for mapping and surveying. It offers upgrade features to the regular Phantom 4 since it offers an uprated camera that is well equipped with a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor. This sensor can shoot 4K 60 frames per second video. The drone is constructed of titanium alloy and magnesium alloy that increase the rigidity of the airframe and reduce weight, which makes Phantom 4 Pro very similar weight to Phantom 4. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 offers a 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers, range control, and it can fly for 30 minutes. Freely is known for creating drones with the most expensive sensors in the world that are tested accordingly. For instance, when it comes to Astro, there were over 75 tests completed and 185 plus hours of flight done during the development. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. DJI Mavic 3 is the next drone we will show in this article. This is a powerful drone that is equipped with a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The camera helps the drone to produce extremely professional images. DJI Mavic 3 was released in November of 2021, so at the time of writing, it was still a new drone. When it comes to specifics of the drone, Mavic 3 can fly for 46 minutes, or a distance of 18.6 miles, thanks to a new battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh. The weight of the drone is 895 grams, which means you need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in order to fly in the U.S., since it weighs over 249 grams. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro was mainly made for enthusiasts, so it is suitable for professional images and photography. It features a 20MP, 1-inch sensor that is capable of high-quality 4K videos and raw stills you can get from a consumer drone. What I liked about DJI Mavic 2 Pro is that it is suitable both for beginners and experienced drone users. This is the first drone that is equipped with a Hasselblad camera, which is the result of the partnership between DJI and Hasselblad. Collaboration with Hasselblad has brought innovative experiences to the field with advancements in drone photography. The camera improved the standard of image quality, which was the goal when collaboration with Hasselblad was made. Number 4. Auto Robotics Evo 2. Auto Evo 2 is the next drone we will show in this article. The main difference Auto Evo 2 makes, when compared to other drones, is the fact that it can be used without an extra device. What does this actually mean, you wonder? Well, most of today's drones need to connect with a smartphone app in order to see through the camera and snap photos. On the other hand, Auto Evo 2 puts a color display into the controller itself, which means that you can fly, frame photos, and record videos without connecting the drone to a smartphone app. Controlling the drone without the smartphone is mostly what you will pay for if you decide to buy Auto Evo 2. And that's perfectly fine, but keep in mind that some camera features still require a smartphone app. The drone's main color is orange, so it is easier to spot in the air compared to some other drones. Furthermore, keep in mind that you will have to register with the FAA if you want to use Auto Evo 2 in the US. Number 5. DJI Inspire 2. Yet another exciting drone for construction on our list today is DJI Inspire 2. This is an upgraded version of DJI Inspire 1 that is most suitable not only for construction builders, but also for pro filmmakers, deep-pocketed enthusiasts, and local news stations. When compared to its predecessor, the DJI Inspire 2 has better speed, a significantly improved camera, and an obstacle avoidance system. DJI Inspire 2 is a big and expensive drone, so my advice is that you avoid it if you are a complete beginner in the drone industry. The dimensions of the drone change based on the position of its landing gear. When you set to take it off, keep in mind that there are 1.2 feet between each motor. There is a travel mode that lets you slow down Inspire 2, but this widens its footprint while at the same time reducing its height. It weighs more than 7 pounds, so you have to register with the FAA before the outdoor flights. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.